Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of creativity with the Dylanto Instant Print Camera for Kids. This camera is not just a toy, it's a fantastic tool to nurture your child's artistic side. Inside the box, you'll find the camera itself, loaded with features to keep your little ones engaged. The instant printing function is a game changer. It allows your kids to capture their favorite moments and quickly get tangible, black and white prints. Plus, with 3 rolls of printing paper included, the creative possibilities are endless. The multifunctional design of this mini camera is impressive. The 2.4-inch screen provides a clear view, while the 1080p video capability and 16x digital zoom ensure versatility. Time-lapse photography, continuous shooting, and various filter frames add to the excitement. And guess what? It even comes with games and an MP3 player, making it an all-in-one entertainment device. Safety is a top priority with the Dylanto camera. The thermal printing technology ensures that the printing paper is free from BPA, making it safe for your little ones. The high-quality, shock-proof shell provides effective protection against drops, ensuring durability. Portability is another highlight. With Type-C charging technology, it charges faster and lasts longer. The 2000 mAh battery capacity allows for 3 to 4 hours of continuous use. The added hanging rope makes it easy to carry around without worrying about accidental drops. In conclusion, the Dylanto Instant Print Camera for Kids is not just a toy, it's an educational and interactive tool that sparks creativity. It's a perfect gift for kids aged 3 to 12, whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, or Children's Day. Let your children have their own cameras and explore the world of photography, music, and games away from mobile phones. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.